Forests are more than just trees. They're the lungs of our planet, filtering air, regulating climate, and supporting millions of species. But did you know forests are also essential for human health? From reducing stress to providing medicinal plants, forests have a profound impact on our well-being. And today, technology is playing a crucial role in protecting these natural wonders. Join us as we explore the deep connection between forests, human health, and technology, and why saving them means saving ourselves. Forests don't just provide oxygen. They improve our mental and physical health in ways we're only beginning to understand. Studies show that spending just 20 minutes in a forest can reduce stress hormones by 30%. Trees absorb harmful pollutants like CO2, nitrogen dioxide, and sulfur dioxide, improving air quality. Over 25% of modern medicines originate from rainforest plants, treating everything from infections to cancer. Technology is helping us protect forests like never before. With climate change and deforestation threatening global ecosystems, these innovations are making a difference. AI and machine learning detects illegal logging in real time and helps prevent deforestation. Satellite monitoring tracks forest loss and restoration efforts globally. Drones and LiDAR scanning map forests in high detail to measure tree health and carbon storage. Scientists recently used AI to discover over 1.8 billion trees in the Sahara Desert, proving that forests exist in unexpected places. While deforestation is a crisis, innovative solutions are restoring forests worldwide. Here's how technology is helping reforest the planet. Drones can plant over 40,000 trees per day, speeding up reforestation efforts. New eco-friendly biodegradable seed pods ensure trees grow in dry or damaged areas. Blockchain for transparency tracks where and how trees are planted, preventing corruption in conservation efforts. Saving forests isn't just for scientists and conservationists. We all have a role to play. Here's what you can do. Reduce paper and wood waste by opting for recycled or FSC-certified products. Support reforestation projects by donating or volunteering for tree planting initiatives. Use carbon tracking apps like Ecosia that plant trees when you browse the web. Forests are essential to our health, our climate, and our future. With the help of technology, we can reverse deforestation, restore lost forests, and create a healthier planet for future generations. But it starts with awareness and action. So let's protect our forests before it's too late.